SpaceX logo and Elon Musk silhouette are seen in this taken on December 19, 2022. Obtaining Dado Ruvik illustration file photo license rights companies Space Exploration Technologies Corp. Follow August 25 a new lawsuit accused of SpaceX's refusal to illegally recruit asylum seekers and refugees could be a major test of the U.S. government's stance that national security concerns do not allow companies to discriminate against non-citizens. Elon Musk, CEO of the rocket and satellite company, said in response to a lawsuit filed by the U.S. Department of Justice on Thursday, hiring anyone other than U.S. citizens and green card holders would violate arms trafficking laws. His post on the messaging platform X, formerly known as Twitter, seemed to contradict the DOJ's specific guidance issued in April, which warned employers that resorting to efforts to comply with export control laws would not exempt them from a law prohibiting discrimination based on citizenship. Export control laws restrict companies from sharing sensitive information and technology with certain individuals in other countries. The lawsuit against SpaceX appears to be first of its kind to be filed by ministry since release of non-legally binding but court-quotable guide. In April and May, the Justice Department announced that it had reached settlements with General Motors Co. and an IT services firm over similar allegations. But the ministry did not sue these companies. Rebecca Bernard, a Minneapolis-based employment attorney who represents companies, said employers subject to export control laws often ignore the ban on citizenship-based bias in the Federal Immigration and Nationality Act, leaving them facing legal action. The DOJ takes the INA's anti-discrimination provisions very seriously, enforcing them aggressively, and interpreting export control exceptions very narrowly, Bernard said. In the Justice Department lawsuit, he argued that SpaceX had said it could only hire U.S. citizens and green card holders in a series of job postings from 2018 to 2022. The ministry claimed that this deterred asylum seekers and refugees from applying for jobs with the company, and the applicants were rejected. According to the lawsuit, SpaceX hired only one of more than 10,000 recruits during this period. The lawsuit also includes public comments made by Musk and another SpaceX executive. For example, Musk's 2020 launch. Since rockets are advanced weapons technology, U.S. law requires at least a green card to be hired at SpaceX. Musk on Thursday described the case as arming the DOJ for political purposes. He said SpaceX had been told repeatedly that hiring non-citizens could be a criminal offense. But in April's guide, Ministry of Justice said opposite. Said export control laws do not prevent hiring or employment of any U.S. citizens. The agency defined it to include asylum seekers and refugees as they are allowed to live and work here in United States. According to the guidance, companies may need special